Hey guys, so I'm inside of Warren's place. You can see right here, my kitchen area over there. This is my bar counter area. This is an area here only for military members. This is the wall of heroes and warriors, where military members come in and have dinner or to raise a glass for a fallen brother or sister. On the other side of the street, we have a regular seating area for our other guests. Inside and outside patios, seating areas. So today I'm going to go down to the hardware store real quick because I have to get some supplies for my doors. So these are just regular sliding doors. And when I first opened this almost 14 years ago, to get my permit to have my restaurant, my doors have to automatically close. So when a guest opens them up, the door has to close behind them, and that's to keep from people forgetting to close the doors and rodents running into the kitchen or roaches or whatever. So my wires are all rusted out, and we're gonna replace them today and put some new wires on it and get the door sliding again. So stay tuned.
I don't know how the hell she tied it. You're all jacked up. Here we go. Okay. Like this. Ouch.
Vai, eu tudo tá com OK。これ、英語と日本語両方やろう。英語終わってから動いて。OK? わかった？ So I'm going to do this in Japanese and English. When I do the English version, then you move. OK? So I'm going to do these two languages. はい。じゃあ、ずっと俺の鼻見る。どこでも見てダメ。手も見てダメ。鼻だけ見て。OK? お尻も見てダメ。OK? かっこいいわかるけど。はい。So, look at my nose only. Don't look at my hands. Don't look at my ass. Anywhere. Okay? Just look at my nose. Right? Right. So I have this invisible piece of string. あ、これ最初英語ごめん。これもう見えないの糸ある。ね、この糸。Okay? So invisible piece of string. この糸はこれ耳入れるで、ね、それこっち入るパン。So 最初、so I'm gonna take this invisible piece of string. I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna put it in your ear. Okay? こっちから引っ張る。Okay? So I'll pull it out from this side. So now I have two pieces of string. Well, one piece of string, but going out of the ear. So この糸、右の手、つまって。ずっと俺の鼻見て。これ手、you use your hand, 手使う。Okay? So take your right hand, yeah? Grab that piece of string, just like that. Okay? これ引っ張るね。Okay? Okay? So その糸つまったでしょ So you have the string, right? Alright, pull it real hard. 引っ張って。
右に左に。
引っ張って。引っ張りすぎるじゃない I think you pulled it too.
痛いだろ。
乳首当たった。Hit my nipple.